Master, what is the true self? Everyone tells me I should just be myself. But who am I really? Everyone has different answers, and the more I ask, the more confused I feel.
You're asking, who are you? That's an excellent question, though a rather tricky one. So tell me, in your view, who are you?
I am a human. I have a name. I am a son, a friend, sometimes a student who's still unsure of his path. But all that feels so superficial, as if there's more to myself. I wonder, does any of it really matter?
Exactly. When you call yourself son, friend, or student, you set boundaries. You're creating frames that separate you from everything else. But what if, beyond those frames, there is something more, something waiting where you haven't yet looked?
So are you suggesting that what we think of ourselves, all these labels, don't really matter?
It's like looking at the sea and seeing only the waves on the surface. Are the waves the whole sea? Or does the shape of the waves define what the sea is?
No, waves are just a part of it. The sea is much deeper and vaster.
Exactly. Your thoughts, memories, your name, these are only the waves on the surface. And yourself is like the sea, deep, vast, connected to the ocean of all existence. If you remove all the labels society has given you, your name, age, beliefs, who are you then?
Maybe I am simply existence itself? Just something that is, without needing to define itself. Is that what you mean?
Exactly. Beyond everything you think you are, there remains pure existence, consciousness, pure being. But we often forget this, believing in the illusion of ourself, built up of thoughts and roles we play.
So you're saying this self is just a kind of construction? Like a role?
It's like an actor on stage playing various roles, the student, the friend, the son. But after the performance, the actor takes off the masks. Yourself is just a role. Deep down, you are something much greater. You are silence, space, the awareness that sees these roles but is not defined by them.
So to truly know myself, I must let go of these roles? Stop giving them so much importance?
Exactly, although you don't need to reject them. They are part of this human journey you're experiencing, but you can stop losing yourself in them. See yourself like the ocean, not just the waves, but the depths and vastness beneath them. When you discover this, the question, who am I, will no longer be a mystery. You'll simply be.
And so, dear viewers, the question, who am I, leads us deep within ourselves. It's a journey not to find answers, but to discover a space where all roles become temporary and the true self stretches beyond them.